What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back giving another pickup. And today is a special day. I know I say that all the time, but today is super special because we're opening up the vault on this one. We are going to go ahead and take a look back at, what year is this? 2006. 2005, 2006. I want to say 2006. 2006 is when these particular pair of shoes came out and actually come back out again. Let's get into it. Today we're going to look at a pair of the Air Jordan 7 Cardinals. And if you guys notice, it says 422. So there was a time, believe it or not, where you had to rush and camp out just to get your favorite pair of shoes. And they put a date on there to let you know when it comes out. Now I'm not going to front. I didn't get these at release date. I actually got these maybe like 2009, 2008 when I got these. I actually brought these secondhand from a gentleman off Craigslist. You youngsters probably don't know about Craigslist, but it's a pretty decent site. There's a lot on there. I used it for buying and reselling shoes before StockX, GOAT, and all this other stuff came out. But so right off the bat, first thing you notice when you open these bad boys up is the tissue paper. It's been through quite a few openings and unboxing, but it's all good. Now this shoe and box has everything except for the retro card. So being I did buy these secondhand, I'm not going to be too difficult on the guy. I don't remember what I paid, but I know it's right around $100. He actually hooked me up with a pair of military blues also. Did a legit check, everything checked out. But like I said, this is a great buy. He's still in great condition. So great, I haven't even cleaned these. So I probably will clean these once these are re-released, so I can do a comparison between the 2006 version and the 2022 version. So first things first, two of the key differences between this shoe and the 30th anniversary version is you're not going to get this champagne colored tongue right here, which I enjoy the look of it. The juxtaposition between the champagne and the red bronze to me really brings out the whole shoe. It makes the shoe to me. And then you have these gold lace tips right here, which, let me focus in, you're not going to get. If you guys can see, it has the Jordan logo right here. You won't get that, which sucks, but it is what it is. But you will, however, get the smooth leather, of course, right here outlining the shoe, and then overall bubble leather. You will get the gold accent of the Jumpman. You will get the gold pull tab. But another subtle difference that they did is this black right here is going to be the red bronze, and this red bronze is going to be black. The 23 is still going to be white. Still have the black right here throughout the whole sole of the shoe. Little black right here. You will have that. I didn't even notice this. Look. So this is actually the same color as the tongue, which it should be. It's the same material. So, which I think is just so dope, man. Like when you put your shoes on, and then you put your jeans or whatever pants you're gonna wear, and it just pops out just like that. It sticks out. Man, that's gonna suck. But it's gonna be white, bright white. So a lot of times when we have bright white against red, it still looks pretty cool. Like I said, these are the pair from 2006. Let me zoom in, focus. So you guys can see, man, amazing quality when these first came out, man. It's true what they say, don't make them like this anymore. I am a sneakerhead. I do wear my shoes, so crack kills, as you guys can tell, but it's part of life, man. Always wear your shoes if you can. These I think I'll probably end up putting on ice once I get a new pair. Another side note, if you guys like the way I lace my shoes, just let me know in the comments, and if the video gets over 50 likes, then I'll do a separate video on how I lace them up. So yeah, stay tuned, man. More on the way. Alright, as always, time to do a quick slip on. These are a size 10 and these are already laced. Just gotta swoop, put your foot in like that, and then your foot in like that. These are true to the size. Got a size 10 because I actually wear a size 10. And, yeah, man, I will go with a size 10 again. And see how easy it is to take these bad boys off. Slip them off like that. And that's it. You like that one? Take a look at the other one. You like that one?